Hi, this is the second video for chapter 1. And so this one, let's start out with the definition of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. So the matter we're going to focus on is this shiny aluminum foil. And we talked about that. And that aluminum foil is a type of an element. Elements are substances that cannot be broken down into any other substance by chemical or physical means. Okay, it's pure. The smallest or basic particle from which all elements are made is an atom. Okay, so the atom from this sheet of aluminum, when we write it down and we copy it off the periodic table, we have some information. 13 is the atomic number, or the number of protons. Al is the symbol, aluminum, and 26.982. Okay, and then we can draw out that atom, which I'd like you to draw and put into your notebook. Okay, and what we have is, in the middle circle, I'm going to draw 4 circles. In the middle one is the nucleus. There are 13 protons, 14 neutrons, and then on the other 3 circles there are electrons out in the electron cloud, and in this case there are 13 electrons to match the number of protons. 2 on this inside one, 8. Let me zoom in a little so you can see the numbers. Then you draw 8 on this one, and then 3 for a total of 13. I also have a key here. Okay, so if that helps what each one of those mean. So let me just put that in the frame so you can pause if you need to draw that. That's what the aluminum atom looks like, just one atom. How are elements and atoms the same? Now, I'd like you to jot that into your notebook so we have a chance to discuss it. So take your own notes here and put down what you think makes them the same. Now, atoms can bond. When they do, when they connect together, we call it a chemical bond, which is a force of attraction between 2 atoms. And when that happens, some special things form. And one of the things that can form is a molecule. A molecule is a group of 2 or more atoms. So when atoms are grouped together, more than one, we call it a molecule. So this is just one atom, a single piece of the aluminum. More pieces together can create enough of a bond so you can see a sheet of it, or a metallic bond. Okay. A compound is a substance made of 2 or more elements, and that can be shown with a chemical formula. Okay, so for instance, here, okay, we have this molecule, which is also a type of a compound, which is bonded, where we have more than 2 kinds of elements bonded together. Carbon bonded with an oxygen, making carbon dioxide. Okay, and let's just show that now. So, carbon dioxide would be CO2, where you have 1 carbon, and this is O for oxygen, 2 oxygen. So the ratio is 1 to 2. And we write the formula like this. Notice here we do not write the number 1, but we will write any other number 2 and above. Okay. A mixture is different from a compound. These two are different from each other, not the same. A mixture is 2 or more substances that are not bonded in the same place. Okay, so I made a chart for you that'll help you out to compare this side by side. A mixture is not bonded substances, whereas a compound is bonded substances. Okay, and that's what you need to know. There was very few notes. Most of it is your vocab, but you should have written down everything, please. You should have jotted down the pictures and all of the formulas. Thank you so much.